Trigonometric ratios in third form. There's a second video in this series. Express cos of negative 135 degrees in third form. If you just insert this into the calculator, you'll see that the answer is negative root 2 over 2. You might realize also that this is related to cos of 45 degrees, but negative 135 degrees is 225 degrees, which is in the third quadrant, and cos of negative in the third quadrant. So the size of the answer is the same as cos 45 degrees, but it's negative, that answer. In the second question, we're told that sine x is negative root 3 over 2, and we want to find the angle x, or rather two angles x's between 0 and 360 degrees. If we write sine inverse of this ratio into the calculator, it'll evaluate an angle x first. When we do this, it tells us x is negative 60. Now, negative 60 is not between 0 and 360 degrees. But let's draw a little picture of it to see where negative 60 is. So negative 60 would be 60 degrees down from the positive sense of the x-axis, in the clockwise direction. And if we go in the anti-clockwise direction, we would see that that's the same as 300 degrees. So one of the answers, we'll call it x1 maybe, is 300 degrees. We could check this using the calculator. So if I write sine 300 degrees, is it true that this is negative root 3 over 2? And we see it works. So that's one of the answers. Now, where would we find the other answer? Well, it must somehow relate to this. Using the cast system, because we know that this is a sine is a negative answer, we see that sine is negative in the fourth quadrant and in the third quadrant. So we might guess this angle here, that is 60 degrees down from 180 degrees. So that will be an angle here of 240 degrees. So by symmetry, that seems to be correct. Again, it's easy to check the answer. So if we write into the calculator sine 240 degrees, is the answer negative root 3 over 2? And we see it is. So we have found both values.